In earlier times, there were no refrigerators in which people could preserve their food for later consumption. But since the farming families in Meinong needed to store enough rice and other food crops to feed themselves for up to a year between harvests, they had to find means to protect it from being infested and consumed by rats, mice, insects, and other vermin.
They achieved this by constructing large storage containers made from interwoven bamboo, and then, as the master stroke, covering the outside with a layer of ox dung. You may think that sounds rather smelly, repulsive, and unhygienic, but in fact, the dung of these grass-eating animals is not at all unpleasant, nor even malodorous. It is, however, extremely effective for repelling mice, cockroaches, ants, and other pests.
Although you will no longer see these containers in people's homes, a fine example for you to muse on displays in Meinong Hakka Cultural Museum.